Login loop error on Revolut Junior Fix. If your Revolut Junior app keeps looping back to the login screen every time you try to sign in, you're not the only one. It's frustrating, confusing, and feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. But here's the surprising truth: it's not usually Revolut's fault. This issue is almost always caused by cached or outdated login data stored on your phone. Let's fix it quickly and easily. Start by closing the Revolut app completely, not just minimizing it, but swiping it away from your recent apps. Then, reopen it and try logging in again. If it still loops, the next step is to clear the cache. On Android, open Settings, find Apps, tap Revolut, and hit Clear Cache. For iPhone users, the best approach is to delete and reinstall the app. This wipes any corrupted session data that might be causing trouble. If you're using the browser version, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cookies related to Revolut. Expired authentication cookies are one of the most common causes of login loops. Next, make sure your app and device software are both up to date. Revolut often updates its security systems, and outdated versions can cause login issues. If you're still stuck, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or try a different Wi-Fi network. Some firewalls or routers block the secure redirects used during Revolut's login process. Lastly, if you use a password manager, turn it off for now. Sometimes these tools fill in outdated credentials that confuse the system and restart the login cycle. After following these steps, restart your phone and sign in again. In most cases, the login loop will be gone, and you'll have full access to your Revolut Junior account. So next time this happens, don't stress. It's not your login. It's just stored data getting in the way. Clear it, refresh, and you'll be back to managing your finances with Revolut Junior in no time.